In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write documentation for GitHub repositories. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, having well-organized documentation is key for collaboration and ease of use. Let's dive right into setting up your GitHub repository and creating the essential documentation files. First, let's begin with creating a new GitHub repository. Start by heading over to GitHub, where you'll find the option to create a new repository. This is your first step into setting up your project on GitHub. Fill in the required fields, beginning with the repository name. It's important to choose a name that reflects your project's purpose or functionality. Next, add a description. Keeping this brief yet descriptive will help others quickly understand what your project is about and its primary function. Once you have entered these details, go ahead and click Create Repository. This action will set up a space where all your project files and documentation will live online. Now that the repository is ready, let's focus on adding essential files that will guide users and contributors. Start by creating key documentation files in your project directory. These files include the readme.md, contributing.md, changelog.md, and license. Each of these serves a specific purpose. The readme.md is crucial as it offers a detailed introduction to your project. It's where you'll provide instructions on installation, usage, and any other critical information for users interacting with your project for the first time. Next is the contributing.md file. This is where you can guide potential contributors on how they can get involved with the project. It's helpful to outline any coding standards, testing procedures, or project guidelines. Then we have the changelog.md, which is used to track all the changes and updates made to your project. Recording this information systematically can be incredibly helpful for users following the project's development through different versions. Lastly, the license file is where you specify the terms under which your project can be used by others. It's a good idea to choose a license that fits the nature of your project and its intended distribution. To add these files to your repository, clone your repository using the command git clone, followed by your repository's URL. Once it's cloned on your local machine, navigate into the repo directory using the cd command. Now to create these files, use the command touch, followed by each file name, readme.md, contributing.md, changelog.md, and license. With your files in place, the next step is to prepare them for your repository. Use git add sets to stage these newly created files. Then commit them with a descriptive message such as add project documentation to provide context for this update. Finally, sync these changes to your online GitHub repository by executing git push origin main. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a GitHub repository and added the foundational documentation files, setting up your project for future collaboration and development.